April, and I think that means camping season. I know Brett from Parris RV would agree with me. We got to get out there. It's time.
You know, it's definitely toy hauler season, right? The dunes are ready to ride, you know, set up a little more, and something like this is going to take you there in style.
This is a toy hauler.
Toy hauler.
Okay, talk me through the features of this guy.
Okay, this is a 2021 Stryker, and the model's called a 2714. And Stryker is our very best-selling toy hauler. It's the #1 volume sold toy hauler in the state of Utah. Really hot brand, and this is a brand new model, which is pretty cool. 14 means that it's got 14 feet of cargo. So those big 4-seat UTVs, you just lower your back gate down, hit a button, put your electric queen beds up, drive your 4-seat UTV inside, go take your family out and have some fun.
And everything moves, including the seating inside, so those haulers can easily go right in?
Yeah, you push the nice recliner chairs up front, and then that gives you plenty of room to load a UTV.
So it's about utility, but it still has the comforts inside.
Yeah, so there's a lot of cool things with a Stryker. So a lot of things I like. #1, you got 16-inch wheels and tires. You know, all the other brands that are this size, keep in mind this is only just over 30 feet overall. All the other brands I have are 15-inch wheels and tires. So I like having the big wheels and tires. You know, you're not gonna, bottom out, heading out through the whoops out to the sand dunes or something. Plus, you don't have wheel wells in this one, so when you drive in, you're not putting your razor or something on its side on the wheel well. It's nice that it stays flat. I like the fact that Strykers have an 8-foot door in the back, which is nice. A lot of these brands have 7-foot doors, so extra tall clearance. You know, these machines just keep getting bigger. That's a nice thing. And then probably the other really huge thing, or two big huge things, king bed in the bedroom on a slide, and the king bed goes out sideways. That's basically how they shaved off 3 feet in this machine. And then of course the outside kitchen. Love the outside
kitchen, because this is where you want to be. I mean, it won't be cooler forever. It's going to get nice.
You know, you come back from a long day's ride, you need to cook some food. You got a kitchen on the inside that's deluxe, solid surface countertops, undermount stainless sink, everything you need in there. But I really like to cook on the outside, so you know you can just sit out here and cook, really nice. Plus you've got a 4,000 Cummins Onan generator on board, so your air conditioning can run out there self-contained. You've got a 30-gallon fuel pumping station right back here to fuel up your machines. You don't have to carry extra fuel. And then, yeah, really everything you need in this thing.
Toy hauler's still really hot right now.
Toy haulers are really hot because Utah loves to play, and Utah has a lot of off-road machines and things, and this is a style that's perfect for our area.
And we have space
to
go
space.
Do that.
Yeah.
So let's do it, everybody. Parris RV has 2 locations. If you need this toy hauler, where will it be?
Stryker's at our North Murray location, which is 4360 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
I feel like Brett's passionate about this one too. Like you said,
love
the one you
Strykers.
loved. You love Stryker.
Strykers.
parrisrv.com or ABC4.com, and we will link you. Thank you, Brett.
Thank you.